Capital One and PayPal, an online power couple. Almost? Ever shopped online and debated between whipping out your credit card or whipping out your phone to pay with PayPal? It's a classic online checkout dilemma. But what if you're a die-hard Capital One user and a PayPal enthusiast? Can you combine these two financial titans for a seamless online shopping experience? Let's face it, online security is a major concern. PayPal offers that extra layer of protection by keeping your credit card info hidden from retailers. Plus, it's just convenient, a couple of clicks and you're done. But can you leverage that convenience with your trusty Capital One card? Well, the answer isn't a simple yes or no. Buckle up, because we're diving into the fascinating world of Capital One, PayPal, and how they work together, or maybe don't. Capital One, your credit card companion. Capital One offers a wide range of credit cards, from no-frills cashback options to travel rewards powerhouses. They're known for their user-friendly app and website, making managing your finances a breeze. But what about connecting your Capital One card to the world of PayPal? The plot thickens, linking cards and using rewards. Here's where things get interesting. You can absolutely link your Capital One credit card to your PayPal account. This means you can use your Capital One card to make online purchases through PayPal, enjoying the added security and convenience PayPal provides. But wait, there's more. Here's the cherry on top. You can also use your Capital One rewards points when paying through PayPal at many online stores. Imagine racking up those sweet travel miles or cashback points while still enjoying the ease of PayPal. Sounds like a win-win, right? Hold your horses, not all Capital One cards are created equal. Now, before you go on a PayPal shopping spree fueled by Capital One rewards, there's a slight catch. While most Capital One credit cards can be linked to PayPal, some exceptions exist. Partner cards or debit cards issued by Capital One might not be compatible with PayPal. Here's the key takeaway. Always check with Capital One or PayPal directly to confirm if your specific card can be linked. A quick call or a visit to their websites can save you the frustration of a checkout malfunction. The final frontier, transferring money with Capital One and PayPal. Alright, so using your Capital One card through PayPal for online purchases is a go. But what about transferring money between your Capital One account and PayPal? Here, we hit a roadblock. As of today, PayPal doesn't allow direct transfers to Capital One 360 checking accounts. There might be workarounds like using an external bank account as an intermediary, but it's not the most streamlined process. This is something to keep in mind if you were hoping to seamlessly move funds between your Capital One account and PayPal. Capital One and PayPal, a story still being written. The relationship between Capital One and PayPal is evolving. While you can link your Capital One credit card for online purchases with added security and even leverage rewards points, transferring money directly between accounts isn't currently supported. However, the world of online payments is constantly changing. Who knows, maybe future updates will allow for smoother integration between Capital One and PayPal. Until then, you can still enjoy the convenience of PayPal with the added security and rewards potential of your Capital One credit card. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.